Hello, I am Arshad Iqbal from Tech Vibes. In this video, I will discuss what is a table in a database server. In very simple words, a table has rows and columns, but arranged in structured format. Now, I will discuss format of a table with more details, with four important components: field, record, schema, and keys. Every column within a table is a field. Every row within a table is a record. Every data type within a table is a schema, and every primary and foreign key within a table is a key. Now I will discuss in more details. A field is a vertical header in a table defining type of data. A record is a horizontal entry in the table representing a single complete set of data. A schema is a structure of table with column names and data types. Keys can be primary or foreign keys to have unique records without any duplicate information. Now, I will discuss database table with an example. Here is a table having student information. SID, name, age, and major are vertical headers called columns or fields. In this table, complete set of information about four students is included in four records or rows. SID is a primary key to have unique record of students. SID, name, age, and major. These are the columns, have some data types known as schema. Thank you for watching this video. Don't miss to visit URLs provided in the description. I always recommend good content for your academic and professional career for quick learning. I appreciate if you subscribe this channel for new updates. Thanks again and have a great day.